So basically, in this video, we shall be talking about the various types of exchange rates. We have different types of exchange rates depending on different understanding. So we have four main types of exchange rates. These are nominal exchange rate, nominal effective exchange rate, real exchange rate, real effective exchange rate. Each of these types of exchange rates differ in the way they are defined and in the way they are measured and the components or the composition of their measurement. But we shall be discussing in great detail on each of these type of exchange rates in subsequent videos. So we want to see how we can classify these types of exchange rates using economic knowledge. Basically, there are two ways to classify exchange rates. One is bilateral exchange rate. Two is multilateral exchange rate. Bilateral exchange rate is simply an exchange rate between two countries. In other words, it refers to the comparison of the value of a country's currency to the currency of another country. For example, the exchange rate between the US dollar, the United States dollar, and the euro, it shows how much dollars you need to get 1 euro. Or for instance, when you want to make comparison between Sierra Leonean leone and the Japanese one, then you take into cognizance bilateral exchange rate. So basically, from the four types of exchange rates, nominal exchange rate and real exchange rate are examples of bilateral exchange rate because they involve analyzing the exchange rates of one country to just one more country. So it's a one-to-one exchange rate analysis. Multilateral exchange rates is a bit different from that. It refers to the comparison of the value of a country's currency compared to many other countries' currency at the same time. So this means you are analyzing the value of a particular currency as against several or more than one countries at a particular given point in time. So imagine you want to know what is the value of the Sierra Leonean leone compared to major currencies like the dollar, the euros, the pound, or the Chinese yen at the same time. So multilateral exchange rate could be used to analyze the strength of your currency as against multiple currencies, not just one. So basically, it is essential because it gives you a broader view of the strength of a country's currency compared to a bilateral exchange rate. So in summary, nominal effective exchange rates and real effective exchange rates are great examples of multilateral exchange rate. So in the following video, we shall be discussing about nominal exchange rates.